Hey, so I wanted to talk about various healing modalities, and let's start with nature because that's kind of where it all begins, right? And I'll probably flip this around so you're not looking at me the whole time, but I just wanted to show my face for a second. Welcome everybody. So there's just something so incredibly healing about Mother Nature. I guess that's why we call her Mother, right? Nurturing, comforting, the idealization of what a mother should be. And lately, I've been finding myself taking these random walks on these nature trails, completely free, out in the open air. And depending on where you live, you can enjoy whatever scenery you have. You know, there are beaches, there are mountains, but there's something about a forest that I think is just so incredibly magical. And when I'm here, this is when I feel closest to God. And so sometimes in my solitude, I just take these walks and I just am grateful for the beauty and the wonder. And it shows me that really and truly, nature is wild and it's varied and it's abundant. And I think that's important to remember too, is that there's always enough and that you're needed no matter who you are. Look at the vast differences in the plant life. I mean, I'm not a botanist, so I can't really go into detail, but every tree, every bush, every plant, every animal is just so different and unique and beautiful and special and has its place in the ecosystem, just like you, in the ecosystem of humanity. And so I just want to challenge you today, and it is a shame I have to use my phone to do this, but to go out in nature, wherever that is for you, even if it's your backyard, your front porch, a little park in your city, and to take a moment, maybe turn off your phone, or at least don't look at it for a while. Turn off your mind and just be present. Take some deep breaths and look around you and listen to the stillness and the beauty and the abundance that is just naturally provided to us. For that I say thank you, thank you, thank you.